Ever wondered what it takes to befriend a leopard in the wild? Watch as this girl and a leopard share an extraordinary bond, built on trust, understanding, and an unspoken connection. She is Lisa Kitasaho, a Swedish girl living in the heart of the African wilderness. She is a photographer, wildlife carer, and rehabilitator, dedicated to rescuing big cats and other African wildlife. She spent years caring for the wild, and in that journey, Ray became her greatest companion. Ray was born in a zoo, with no chance of ever experiencing a natural life in the wild. Lisa was unsure if a captive-born leopard could truly adapt, but with the support of wildlife vets and extensive research, she took a bold step, bringing Ray into her care to rewild him in the African wilderness. Growing up, Lisa has always felt a deep connection to animals, often rescuing even the smallest, most fragile creatures in need. In giving Ray a life of freedom, Lisa isn't just guiding a leopard back to the wild. She's forming a lifelong bond with this big cat.